Okay, they came out for another round of fixing this and making it stronger. I guess it finally did pass inspection after a couple fails, I guess. I'm glad that they inspected it because they put this base layer down. They came up yesterday and spent the entire day from 7:30 to 5. 1 hour lunch, roughly. Seems like my hope my sprayers are spraying their stuff over here, man. I tried to. So I have my septic sprayers. They go off at night, and I guess these guys don't know it, so I tried to cover that up and then they moved it, but I think it sprayed on their stuff over there. Anyway, they're gonna have to be moved. We're gonna have to move those septic sprayers. Okay, tomorrow, Monday, they are gonna come and pour the final concrete. And you see they put this outer, deeper base layer. One of the things the inspector said was they had to remove some roots that they didn't do. They had to go deeper and remove roots. So I really hope they get it right, and I need a slant that way, so when it rains, the water, this is a patio right here. Patio, garage door, regular doors over there. The whole shed is that box. I want the rain. There's going to be an awning right here, but I want all the rain to go that way, away from, you know, I don't want it to puddle up here. All right, they're going to put in the concrete tomorrow, and it should be like one big dance floor. I told my kid, what? Look at that. Rejected. It's passed since then, but yeah, one big. Let's see what they did over here. Rebar City. Ooh. You see all this dirt is pushing that way. Kind of scares me. So what's weird is it's going to be a thin wall over here. If it's like this, there's just going to be a thin wall, like 6 inches. I thought it was going to be more like a foot, but I guess that's kind of normal. It's going to be about half a foot wall here, I suppose. But the building itself is going to go, it's just, you know, there's no pressure. I hope it doesn't push that way. That's scary. It's not easy building on a hill, but you know, what choice do I have? Anyway, this will be a dance floor soon.